Wel- Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working or Wi-Fi authentication issue on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 or Android 15 version. Several users facing the different issue like Wi-Fi not working, Wi-Fi keeps turning off, Wi-Fi connected with Wi-Fi but no internet. So using this video solution, you can fix Wi-Fi related issues on your Pixel devices. So check out one by one to fix the Wi-Fi problem on your Google Pixel 10 series. So first option is the restart the phone. This is the one of the oldest method to fix any small bugs on your Pixel devices or any other Android device also. Just restart your device. In your Pixel device, long press the side button. Now here you can see launch the Gemini. So you need to swipe down the notification panel from the top. Tap the power button icon at the bottom right and you can see the power menu. Tap on a restart to restart your Google Pixel device and try to connect Wi-Fi. If you still facing issue, apply the second solution. Make sure turn Wi-Fi off and on your device. So first of all, swipe down the notification panel from the top. Tap on the internet icon. Now toggle off the Wi-Fi on your device. Wait for the 5 seconds or 10 seconds. After that, turn it on and check fix the Wi-Fi issue or not on your device. So toggle on this option, tap on a done and check fix the Wi-Fi issue or not on your device. Third solution is the restart the router. If you are using the router on your device, connect with your Wi-Fi network or broadband internet connection on your device. So make sure restart the router switch. So turn off the router, wait for the 5 or 10 seconds. After that, turn on the switch, the router, and try connect with your phone again on your Pixel device. So this is the third solution using the router. Fourth solution is to make sure aeroplane mode is not enable or make sure enable mode is turn off. So swipe down the notification panel. Here you can find the aeroplane mode. Make sure disable this option or to turn off the aeroplane mode. If enable aeroplane mode, you can't access the Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth on your device. Fourth tip solution is the forget the network and reconnect it again on your device. So this is the most of the this solution it will work for the all devices, Pixel device, any other Android device like Samsung, OnePlus. You need to forget the connected network and reconnect it again on your device. To check the setting, go to setting on your device, tap on the network and internet, tap on your internet. Now scroll down. Here you can find the save network option. Tap on it on your Google Pixel 10 and any other Pixel device. Here you can see the list of networks you connected. So tap the network you want to delete. Like here we select the content creator. So we tap on this. Here you can find the forget option. So tap on the forget on your device. And after that again go back to your Wi-Fi network. And here you need to just tap on it and enter the password to connect the network. Like again we select the option on my device. Here you can see we already connected Santam network. So it's quite easy. Just forget the network and re-enter the password and check fix the Wi-Fi issue or Wi-Fi not working on your Google Pixel 10 or any other Pixel devices. If you still facing the issue after apply all the above, make sure reset the network setting on your Google Pixel 10 series. So you can reset the Wi-Fi setting or network settings. To reset the network settings on your Pixel 10, open the app drawer, tap the settings app, scroll down, sorry, open the settings, scroll down up to system on your device, scroll down again. At the end of the screen, you can see the reset option. Tap on it. Here in the latest Android 15 or 16 version, you can see reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi option. So tap on it on your device. Now here you can see connected Wi-Fi on my Pixel device. When we tap on the reset, it will reset the all Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After that, you need to enter your Wi-Fi password to connect your Wi-Fi or also connect a Bluetooth device. So here we tap the reset button and you can see remove the Wi-Fi connection here. Now you can see Bluetooth and Wi-Fi have been reset. Now you can see remove the Wi-Fi symbol from the device. Now you need to connect your Wi-Fi again by write down the notification panel from the top, tap on the internet. Now tap on the see all option. Here you can find your Wi-Fi name. So enter the Wi-Fi. Now enter the Wi-Fi password. Now we enter the Wi-Fi and tap on the connect. Check fix the Wi-Fi issue on your Google Pixel devices. Here you can see the authenticating. Now here you can see save, check password and try again. So now again we enter the password on my device. Now we enter the password, tap on connect. Make sure enter password is correct on your device to connect your Wi-Fi network. Now here you can see the connected Wi-Fi. So you can see the Wi-Fi symbol also. So this is the all fixes you can apply to fix the Wi-Fi not working or Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, any other Pixel device. Which method is working for you? Please tell us in the comment section. Also, if you have any other solution, please share with us in the comment section. Thank you for watching this.